We wake up, cleanse our face, hop into the shower, layer on beauty products. The steps are countless. We rely on many products to maintain and repair beautiful skin. But how do we know that the ingredients in these are actually good for our skin and health? In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the most common yet natural essential ingredients that we can incorporate into our beauty regimes that have multiple uses without actually breaking the bank.
Honey can definitely be viewed as a pot of gold because of the amazing number of ways that it can be used and its infinite benefits on our skin and health. Did you know that honey is one of the only natural ingredients that has an eternal shelf life and will never go bad? There are also several types of honey that come from different flowers. My favorite is Manuka honey, which has incredible healing and medicinal properties. The most important property of honey is that it's a humectant, which means that it pulls water from the air onto your skin, making sure that your skin is hydrated, soft, and youthful. Another one of my go-to DIYs with this sweet ingredient is to mix it with a little bit of sugar and then use it as a tasty scrub to exfoliate and plump my lips. Honey has also made getting a cough much more bearable for me because my mom used to mix it with a little bit of lemon and cinnamon to make a delicious but effective homemade cough syrup. In addition to all these uses, honey also helps with weight loss and is a great natural sweetener for food and drinks too. So whether you're using it for skincare, medicine, or for food, it never hurts to keep a jar of it handy.
They don't call this the magical plant for no reason. Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant that has been around for thousands of years and is still an absolute staple in Indian households. I could say it's always been in my family to have aloe vera plants, and knowledge about its helpful properties has been passed down from one generation to another, from my grandmother to my mother and now to me. An absolute godsend, aloe vera can be found in medicines, cosmetics, and even in food. And I, for one, never skip out on using it in my beauty routine. I have very dry skin that often gets flaky. So I use aloe vera to combat these dry patches as it soothes them gently, and it also prevents the growth of more bacteria because of its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Till date, I burn myself while cooking or come back from a beach vacation with an awful sunburn. My grandmother always uses aloe vera in the affected areas, and it brings an immediate relief and leaves behind a cooling effect. Basically, aloe vera is great for healing of burns. A few others amongst the countless benefits of this magical plant are that it helps with aging and wrinkles. It also helps to lower blood sugar levels, and it also is a boon for your digestive system. So a scoop of it straight from the plant may not sound like the most appetizing idea, but it's definitely going to do your body a lot of good. So go ahead and start making the most out of this natural ingredient.
The magic ingredient that's been passed down by generations and is a staple in almost all Indian homes is gram flour, commonly called besan. It's easily available, it's easy to use, and it's quick to show results. So if you look into your kitchen right now, you probably have besan too. Gram flour contains some amounts of zinc. Since it helps us fight infections on our face, zinc is well known for its anti-acne properties. As someone with sensitive and acne-prone skin, besan has never failed to impress me. Its acne-fighting properties aren't all it has to offer. Besan also helps detan your skin, it removes fine facial hair, and it regulates your sebum production. Now all these properties make it the perfect ingredient for any skin type, but especially for the ones out there with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Here's how I use it in my skincare routine. I use 3 to 4 tablespoons of gram flour, half a tablespoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. The turmeric further helps with its anti-acne properties and the yogurt binds these two ingredients together and gives me a little surge of moisture in my skin. Every time I use this mask, my skin feels like it's had an instant glow up. Now, Besan isn't just limited to your face, its detanning properties work on your body as well. Once a week, I use Besan instead of soap, and this has really helped me detan my hands and my feet, and also worked on dark elbows, which I wasn't expecting at first. So here were the different ways I use my go-to ingredient, Besan. There has never been a day where I haven't been able to find Besan in my kitchen. So I hope you find it just as easily too, whether it's for face, body, or even in food, which totally isn't my forte. I always enjoy gram flour.
So now that you know everything about our natural ingredients and why we absolutely cannot live without them, do let us know if you try out any of the simple hacks suggested to you by us. We would also like to know which is your go-to natural ingredient and why in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.